We're replacing cold water supply line, 1/2 inch to the faucet and a 3/8 to the supply line. Rigid easy change faucet tool, link in the description below. It has an adapter that can hit most nut sizes, and it also has a slot. The bottom's attached. You could slide tool around, grip the tool while it's still installed. There's also an extension piece you could plug in and get more torque. Zero vanities often are very difficult to get your hands around. This is the old leaking riser, which is a copper piece. Shut off the cold water supply, put a bucket underneath here, and we'll run this to get the cold water out of the line. Untighten the 3/8. And hold for a screwdriver to have more lever action. And this allows us to grip the larger nut. You could fit your hand up here, but you wouldn't have been able to fit anything else, so this is why this tool is very valuable. So again, we had it engaged in this lower slot. A 1/2 inch inner. Hand threading it. We'll tighten. The screwdriver through. The 3/8 supply.
If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.